Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making delicious bread rolls with creamy chicken tikka filling. Plus I'm going to show you how to fix their common problem of folding and cracking. And I'm going to show you how you can get a perfect, sleek and clean roll like so. Let's start with filling. Add some oil in a pan, add some chopped garlic and saute a little. Then add 300 grams minced chicken. Keep cooking until its all water dries up. Now add 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala and 2 tablespoons of tikka masala. Mix everything up and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now add some cream and mix and turn the flame to the lowest. Now take a slice of bread, put hot charcoal and a little oil to give it a smoke. Set aside and take another pan. Put some oil, chop some onions. I like to saute my vegetables separately because 1, they don't get so mushy. 2, they also retain their color. At this stage, just only add white part of green onion and greens we will add later. Chop some capsicum, it will give a beautiful color and flavor. Saute these vegetables only for 1 or 2 minutes at high heat, not more, otherwise their color will change. Now we are going to add these veggies in the minced chicken. Add green part of that spring onion, some coriander, and mix everything up. For creaminess, I am adding 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 3 to 4 tablespoons of tikka mayonnaise, and if you don't have it, then you can use regular mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce. Mix everything up and let the filling cool down. To stop the cooking process further, I am transferring to another box. I can also refrigerate at this stage too. Now let's move to wrapping. First make an egg wash, which I'm gonna use for sealing as well as for coating. Now take a slice of bread and trim the edges. These can be used for making breadcrumbs. Now press the slice with the help of rolling pin. Remember, always use a fresh bread for making rolls, otherwise you won't be able to thin them like so. To speed up the process, I use this technique. To press, take a flat bottom dish or chopping board and press. Voila, it's done. Flatten all slices and cover them with a damp cloth so that they don't dry out. I am also going to use mozzarella cheese along with filling, so if you don't have a block, then you can use slices or shredded one too. Now take a slice, put some egg wash on these 3 sides only. Now place a slice of cheese, add some filling, spread nicely. Now roll. Once you reach in the end, then start to seal. Now we have a problem. Then when we are sealing sides, our roll is cracking like this. So we keep pinching edges in anticipation that it may come together, but we are just wasting our time. It will not. We end up having a sloppy roll with cracks and which will absorb so much oil during frying. To fix the problem, I use Swiss roll wrapping technique and it worked like a magic. Take a cling wrap, put slice, egg wash, cheese, filling and then roll with the support of plastic. Once you reach the end, then press sides. That's it. All your edges are nicely sealed in few seconds. Now trim this uneven edge. And there you have it, a perfect bread roll without any cracks. Let me show you one more time slowly. Hold the plastic and roll with the help of it. Press this edge under and roll further. Once you reach the end, press sides. That's it. Trimming the edge for a clean look. Check it out, all edges are nicely sealed and there is no sign of cracks. I hope this technique will solve all your problems. You can freeze them at this point or after coating, it's up to you. Use my technique of freezing. If you have not seen, then link is in the description so that they don't stick to each other. Now for coating, follow the Feb rule: flour, egg and breadcrumbs. Coat nicely so that oil does not go inside. Now fry them at medium-high heat until they are nicely golden. If you are frying frozen ones, then do not cluster them. Fry them only 2 or 3 at a time, otherwise temperature of the oil will drop and they will absorb so much oil. Dish them out and serve warm. A nice crispy crust and tender and creamy and cheesy from inside. Oh my god, absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe with its tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments and I'm gonna see you again with another wonderful recipe. Take care. Ramadan Kareem.